So Ali, just kind of walk us through your thought and see what you're thinking, how you would like to do
it. You're classy. Ali, it's getting easier, I promise.
I hope so.
Thanks so much, Foxy.
This is my favorite sticker sheet. Listen to the nail whisperer. Let's see. So
thank you, Sonia. You listen to the nail whisperer.
I'm gonna do the girl with the blonde hair.
Okay. Ali, so cool. She's using the door and tweezers.
In pink. There's also
pink
black.
And pink and also black. Just have the blue on her side.
We need summer. When is the first day of summer?
Good question. Anybody knows? The 20th of June or what?
Mid-June sometime.
Hi, Live Williams. Hey, girls. Thanks so much for tuning in. The ray about nails. I'm a night owl too. They like. Oh, the sunset or the girls with the pineapple looks good. Nailed it by Sue. A really long time no see everyone. Hey, we miss you, Live William. Bye, Foxy. Keep us posted, Foxy. Hey, Janae. Great.
Look at how pretty.
It's cool though. It's just so much fun to do the stickers because I'm gonna share a story later.
So again, I'm just going in with the condensed glue gel for some fun glow-in-the-dark crystals. I like this one better than the other one, the first one I did.
It was cool though. It's really good.
That's so pretty already. I'd leave it like that.
It's so cute. Nailed it by Sue. And I'll email you, Nancy. Definitely, if you have any questions, Sue, you can always email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. Nina say in Spanish she loves your work.
I wish I knew how to read Spanish. I can speak Spanish.
No, not a lot, but the yellow is really nice.
We need bling and lots of it. I'm gonna use the glow-in-the-dark crystals.
Hey Chantella, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Today is the live tutorial brought to you by
Allie.
She's one of my students. I'm so excited to have her. And then she's like really excited. She was preparing all of these nails for all of you from her heart and her passions. Earlier, she said she was a little bit nervous, but I think she did great. And Ali was adding some of the glow-in-the-dark crystals. I'm excited to see those girls come up with some cool things. Really meticulous. How are you, Chantella? Awesome. Mail by Sue is great. If you email with the teams, we'll get right back to you, love. Oh, Sonia sits. Ali is not allowed. You can't do just plain like that. You gotta like
I
bling them
know.
out.
I can't live without crystals now.
This looks so cute. Seeing flowers, thank you. Chu Janae said it looks so cute, Ali. Good. At work watching. Oh my god, thanks so much, Chantella. You're at work and watching. That's awesome. Seeing flowers, that love that stickers. And Keja, thank you, Keja. Oh my god, thanks so much, Sue. We can't wait to see your beautiful creation, loves. Just like remember to tag us so then we can able to feature your beautiful work.
Do we have small green?
The smaller? Yeah, let me grab it for you.
Okay.
Any other colors? You like any of the other colors?
Just the
If you want white, because you're an artist, so maybe some white. Looks cute.
Ooh.
I'll give you some. Cool with some white though. That's all. Give you some.
mm-hmm.
Yep. Smaller. And there is limits of submissions for the press on contest. Sue, great questions. If you are, of course you can do so many sets, but when you submit, you will submit one set. And yes, you pick one set, you submit, and then we're gonna have after the finals, like the date that's for the end contest, we're able to post all of your beautiful works on the Facebook page, so then everybody can able to vote. So we're so excited. So if you've already done a lot of sets, the pick one you like the most. Nuna. I think my mom thinks to go to the house for him because I keep waiting for the mails to be delivered. I'm like a next to the mailbox. Do you make sure you get the? Do you get your confirmations for the tracking number? You should probably able to know that when it's coming. So, oh my god, it's so good. Yes, so then if you submit, it's gonna be once you pick the most sets that you like the most because it only counts once. Hey, Shanessa, hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Shanessa said, do you have update on the nails class? Do you hear beats?
No? I'm thinking. Okay.
Chantelas, so do you have update on the nail class? Because I don't want to miss out. Absolutely. SMS is on, like, in Michigan, is everything is back to normal, resume to the normal schedules. Chantelas, we're gonna have the class. We're looking at October's to be safe and everybody like get back to work, back to regular routine. But it could be sooner than that. So we're definitely gonna keep you posted. And you'll see us post, keep it posted for everyone. Oh my gosh, it's new now. Need a beet on the fruit.
Pineapple.
Oh, yeah, I can grab it.
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Hi Bella, how are you? At least you know you are looking good getting the mails. Why are you scared for tomorrow? Luna. Oh, thank you so much, Nailed Addictions 123, sending love from Iowa. Thanks so much. Oh, that's cool. Pineapple. So cute. The mailman, no, I'm not. Hi Beatrice, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. It's really cool though. Let me put all the beats on it. Nuna is so funny. I was like, did you get a package yet? Thanks so much, Nailed Addictions 123. Today, this live video is brought to you by one of my students. She's loved it with her heart. So excited. She's sharing her cute design she did it earlier to prepare it for all of you. So thanks so much for tuning in. This is done by Ali today.
Dirty old man.
They're talking about the mailman stuff. Hope your mailmans don't watching your live tutorial. You know what? I really appreciate all of you. I love our communities because you ladies so much fun. I'll miss it out. Like today is that Ali will be on the streams doing all beautiful nails. I got to access Ali's on the side, so I got to watch all your comments. It's so much fun. Looks really good, Ali.
Thank you.
And it's pineapple. Okay, it's cute. J Marie, he said the sticker is so cute. You know what? I look at the stickers. I remind me of a few years ago when I took the class with all paintings. Like I feel like look at this. This is painting. It's not like reading something is really like exactly with the painting. I did this like portraits like this, and this sticker is really cool and stunning. I have to say, it saved me so much time, and still have some cute design without have to spend like hours drawing it. But I really respect like all the artists, but there's something that for all of us also is with the beginners can do something is fun. You know, even those we're like not in the top of painting, so you can still cool and create some fun designs, and it is like an HD design. Nail by Sue, which brands on color powders do you recommend? I have several different brands that I got opportunity to work with and then using it at the salons I'm at too. So I'm using like Chisel Nail Art. These have a dipping and acrylics, like which is liquid and powder line that I can do both dipping powders, and you can do 3D flowers and all that with.
Yes.